Let's start the exercise. My younger brother was sick. Clear? Again, let's divide this sentence into grammar parts. I'll just ask somebody. My younger brother. What is this?
My younger brother, subject.
Subject. My younger brother is subject. Clear? Was. What is was? Raise your hands.
Making word, helping word.
I think it's helping verb. HV.
Yes.
Clear? And sick.
Subject complement.
Was sick yesterday. Sick is subject complement. Yesterday, I think it's an adverb. It's a talking about the time. Clear? So this is an adverb. Clear? So why? Again, we know the answers. We got the answers. The problem is why the sick is subject complement.
Because it is completing the subject.
Action of
Subject completing.
action of being sick is
Complete.
Yes, it is completing the subject. Clear? My younger brother was, if we say my younger brother was, we don't know the complete sense. Until and unless we put the word sick word. Clear? Then it completes the sentence and gives the meaning to the subject. Next one. All the children liked the movie. Raise your hands. All the children. All the children, you?
Subject.
All the children is a subject. Clear? This is subject. Liked. Raise your hands. Yes, you?
Verb.
Verb. Liked is a verb. Clear? The movie. The movie. Zone up.
Direct subject.
Direct object. Why? The movie is direct object.
Because the subject is working on the
Directing.
direct.
Somebody else. Somebody. Don't speak together. Raise your hands. Get permission to talk to me. Yes.
Because the subject action is directly performed by the
What is the action? Action
all-
of what is the ing of like?
like
Action of liking is directly
object.
affecting the movie.
Movie. Yes, object.
Action of liking is directly affecting the movie. That's the reason it's a direct object. Movie is a direct object. Next one. Exercise has made his muscles strong. So, somebody else tell me please, Zainab, what the exercise is? Subject. Clear? What is has? You please.
Helping
Helping verb. HV. What's made? Main verb. It's a main verb. MV. Clear? His muscles. What is his muscles? Direct object. DO. And strong? OC. Let's clear our why. Let's clear our why. Just wait please. Wait please. Wait outside. Let's clear our why. Why his muscles is a direct object. Action of making is directly affecting his muscles. Clear?
Yes.
And why that is object complement? What is the object over here? His muscles are object. And exercise has made his muscles. If I say exercise, no complete sense is given. Until and unless we place the word strong, okay? Then it is complete, then it gives a completion, okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice time.